Hey guys, all young and passionate hustlers are out there. They want one thing to earn more money and escape from this matrix.
Best prison on earth is going to be the one you don't realize you're in. Most people don't realize they're in a jail. They wake up at 7 a.m. and they go to a job and they work hard all day and they come home and they have no time for their family and they barely pay their bills and they barely afford to eat and they have no money left at the end of the month and they somehow think they're free. And they sit there and they watch the news and the news lies to them and they got vaccine in their arm and they can't fly anywhere because they can't afford it. If their boss will give them leave and they somehow believe they're free, you're a slave.
And for that, many people choose crypto trading, especially meme coins. But here's the problem. Most of them forgot is knowledge about that meme coins. They dive into this high risk, high volatility market with nothing but a basic idea like, okay, this coin looks funny and it's pumping from 24 hours. Okay, let's go all in. Sometimes it's even worse, a rug pull, and their balance will get wiped out in just one trade. That's why before you putting real money on the line, you should start with demo trading. Demo trading, you can gain knowledge, understand the market, and practice the risk management, all without losing real money. And for that, I have got a cool platform for you guys. That is Trade Flow Fund, where you can trade real meme coins on real time, live prices. But your trades doesn't affect the actual market. It's pure paper trading platform. Video will give you a solid idea of how to start meme coins safely. Okay, let's dive into the video. So first, what is TradeFlow Fund? It's a paper trading platform which you can trade live coins without using your real money, real cash, and all buys and sales are simulated, and you don't need any wallet also. In this TradeFlow Fund, you can test trades in the real meme coin market. You can see prices, charts, liquidity, all reflect the live environment, but your buys or sales are simulated. They don't affect the real blockchain. In short, you get the experience of live meme coin trading without risk of your burning wallet. You can ask me, why should we use this instead of charting in charts? Why should we use this? First, realistic feel. Trade for fun simulates slippage and fees. This is important because in meme coins, fees can hit your profit fast. Second, no wallet needed. Need even any wallet also to connect to MetaMask or Phantom. Just plug and play. You can download the extension and plug in, then trade in Dex Screener or other platforms. You can see that in this video. Third, contest. You can test your skills against other traders also, like practice. So yeah, it's not just theory. You get hands-on training without losing your money. How to download Trade for Fun and how to trade in this. Hey guys, now we are in Microsoft Edge browser. Now I'll show you how to download Trade for Fun and how to trade with it. Okay, now open your extension and enter Trade for Fun. You can see here their official website and open it. If you want to explore this total page, explore or log in directly. Log in with your email and password and set a username. Set a unique username for you. And You can see it here. Our wallet balance means trading our traded balance, and I will make it 0. Okay, now our wallet is totally 0. Now I'll show you how to trade from scratch. This is our dashboard. This is our username. This is your username. If you want to, you can see documentation. But for now, we have to do our work now. You can see your transactions, add balance. You can add balance from here. This Okay. Now I'll show you how to download extension. Here you can see get extension. Open it, and you can see it here a get option. I have already installed that. Need to reinstall now. After installing, you can see your extension here, trade flow fund. Now you have successfully installed. After that, you have to add your balance. Add balance means now this is your wallet. For your wallet, you have to deposit 5 Solana. I'll deposit 5 Solana now. Okay, add balance. Okay, now we have added our Solana. Now we can go for do trade now. Okay, we are in dex screener. You can do whatever platform you want to, but trade flow fund connects only dex screener and photon and bullets. Now I'll pick up a token and trade in on that. Which one is okay? Buckwork. We'll select this one. But this is not looking good. This value is too low. Which is good. I'll check 1 hour trending tokens. Okay, this looks good. Roocat. Okay, I'll buy it now. Open your extension area, and you can see here trade profile. Open it, and here you can see the token name and token name and USD price. This is Solana price, token market cap, and a buy and sell option. How much Solana you want to use? That's your wish. For now, use 1 Solana for this token. Slippage is 0.1%. Set whatever as you like. Place order. See, our order is executed successfully. Now we have to see our profit and losses. For that, you can do same thing. Open extension and see our profit and losses here. If you want to buy, do same thing again. But okay, for now I'll sell this token. You can add quantity also, 25%, 50%, or max total quantity. Okay, I'll sell total quantity and 0.1% slippage. We have to make some profit. After that, I will exit from here. I'll sell this dump token. Okay, our order is executed. Now we have to try another one. I'll show you another token. Now I'll buy in new tokens. This will give us too much price, too much profits. Which one is too much? Okay, I'll jump into this guy. Okay, no, this will already go up too much. And I'll buy it now. I'll buy with 1 Solana, 0.1 slippage, order executed. Okay, now see how was our coins do. Coin will do. This liquidity is locked. I have to exit, otherwise I'll get face a rug pull. I'll exit here only. 347 profit. Okay, then we have exited from the token. Yeah, bro, like this we can do trade. See our profit here. We gained 2 Solana now from the previous trade. Okay guys, I hope you got it. Start your journey in the meme coin world by practicing with demo trades. Build confidence, learn risk management, and then move to real trades. Start with small capital. In meme coins, you will meet a little monster called rug pull. Worry. If you want, I will make a full video explaining what rug pulls are and how to avoid them. So stay tuned. See it for today, and remember, this is Badger Bro.